What is going on? What is going on, everybody, man? Listen, I'm so excited about this morning, man. Welcome to this edition of Option Nerds Podcast. I'm your host, Holly Mays, and man, listen, it is Friday. It is Friday again. It is Friday, okay? And guess what, guys? It's time to get into the market, man. I see a lot of good things going on. I'm actually going to open up my portfolio today, guys, and just kind of show you guys what I'm looking at on Friday, how I'm actually going to be working throughout the day in my portfolio, and just kind of showing you guys, man, what I'm going to be doing throughout the day, okay? Listen, man, I want to thank you guys for going for being with us and bearing with me yesterday, man. I was having a little bit of an issue. I was going through a couple things, guys, but listen, man, I appreciate all the love, all the support. People calling, man, like, hey, it's going to be okay, this, that, and the other, guys. Listen, let me tell you something. When you guys are doing certain things, man, and you're starting your entrepreneurial movement and you're starting a push to do something different and create generational wealth, there's always going to be some things that's going to be pulling you back. There's always going to be some people that's going to try to say, hey, listen, you can't do this and you shouldn't do that, and they're going to try to bring you down. But you got to know who you are, and you got to know what your purpose is, man. So shout out to everybody, man, who gave me all the congrats and the love, man. Hey, man, my heart goes out to you, man. Listen, guys, before we do anything, man, I want to let you guys know, man, listen, we love you guys. We want you guys to be successful, but we're not financial advisors. We want you to do your own due diligence, man. We want you to do your own research and your plays and making decisions. I tell people all the time, this is for edutainment only, which means this is for education and for entertainment only, guys. We want you to create wealth, man. We want you to build your portfolio. But listen, man, I'm an option trader, so guys, we want you to do a one option play at a time. Also, guys, we want you to do us another favor, man. We are a new channel. We're trying to grow. We understand we're nowhere close to some of these other magnificent podcasters and YouTube channels, man, is teaching you guys about stocks and investing. However, man, we just get into the game and we just want to share our experiences and share what we think and how we feel. We come to option and stock trading a little different. We come in a manner and in a way that's kind of unorthodox, but it's our way and it's how we're successful in what we do. So, guys, we're going to share that with you guys. We're going to start our $50 a day challenge on Monday. I was going to do it on July 1st, but we're going to actually start it on Monday. So we want you guys to be a part of it. I'm going to put the link out next week so you guys can follow us on that. But it's going to be a private link. It's going to be a link that's only going to be reserved for those that want to win want to make $50 a day, okay? Real quickly, guys, again, man, we want you to subscribe to the channel, man. Please hit that like button to get updates and notifications, man, and also be a part of our training programs as well. We also teach about entrepreneurship. We teach about business ethics. We teach about leadership. We teach about all those things, guys. So please make sure, guys, you hit that subscribe button and you hit that like button, man, and that notification bell so that you can get all the updates when we come on in the morning, guys. Listen, guys, man, we got a great morning for you guys. I'm actually going to, y'all know where I'm at. I'm actually going to my options, my investing.com. But before we do this, hold on. We're going to send this to, man, there's a lot of people to send this to. You know what I'm saying? Man, all right, so we're going to investing.com. I was going to send it out, but, hey, we're going to investing.com. So, guys, let's talk about what's going on right now in the market right now. Now, last night, man, the market, after, man, it was just crazy yesterday, man. I mean, the Dow went down to 741. Went down 741 points. I think it got as high as $800, man. That is crazy, guys. The S&P 500 was down 123, and the Nasdaq was down 453. Now, the VIX was up to $32. Okay, now listen, let me tell you something. Normally, when you see this stuff, guys, you're gonna get a reversal today. So let's kind of take a look at, before we get to the plays, let's kind of look at what's going on right now. Tesla is up 57 cents. Now, let me tell you why this is crazy. Because, guys, Tesla was, let me say this. Tesla was down $59. That's what it went down in the aftermarkets, and of course during the day yesterday. Okay, so this morning, guys, Tesla is up 67 cents. Now I saw Tesla up this morning, guys. If I'm not mistaken, almost up $8. I saw Tesla up almost $8, guys. So that lets me know one or two things, and I want you to get this, because right now Tesla is going into the red. Let me tell you why I'm on Tesla, because companies like Tesla, and you got to learn to follow this, guys. Companies like Tesla, companies like entities like SPY, Amazon, Apple, CrowdStrike, whether people know it or not, especially in the cybersecurity realm. These, Facebook, Google, all these big companies, they move the market. Okay, if something drastic happens with either one of those companies, the market is going to move. And it doesn't necessarily, and I found this out, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to go along with the futures. Okay, now the VIX does let us know about a lot of tech stocks, because it tells us about volatility. And trust me, Tesla, if you're looking at Tesla does coincide right with what the VIX is doing. Okay, so please take a look at that, guys. Please look at that today. I think my wife is telling me she want me to. Oh, she says, "You're the love of my life." This is my wife, y'all. Love you too, honey, if you're watching. So, guys, please look at this. Tesla is tanking. Tesla's at $638 in the pre-market, and Tesla's already below $1.50 right now. Okay, it's going down $1.50. So, guys, please, in me saying this, I'm going to give you guys some companies to watch. I'm not dropping the plays yet. Y'all know I drop the plays in a second, but I'm not dropping them as of right now. So, please forgive me. I'm not dropping the plays as of right now. I will type them in a minute. But guys, I need you guys to make sure that you're taking a look at what's going on in the market. Okay? Before we do anything, I want you guys to take a look at what's going on in the market. Now, companies that I'm watching, I know I just talked about Tesla. I know I just said that, so don't look at me crazy. I get that. But you can also play Tesla to the downside as well. You can play Tesla to the downside. I'm telling you right now, Tesla will see some red days. It will see a red day. And it's not because, again, it's not because it's a bad company. It's just because there's a lot of things going on with Elon Musk on Twitter, and a lot of stockholders, shareholders are getting a little bit antsy, and they're kind of getting a little bit impatient with what's going on with Elon Musk. They really are. So they don't look at it as a good move. They really don't. Okay, now, will Tesla get a pop in the morning? It always does. Y'all know that. So listen, guys, what I'm doing with Tesla this morning is I'm waiting for Tesla to do its usual run. I want it to go up, okay? And listen, I may even get in it a little bit. Okay, I'm just being honest. I may get in it a little bit. I may do a real short squeeze for next week or something, and I may get into Tesla. Okay, but then again, I may not get in Tesla. Whatever play I do in Tesla, that's my only play in Tesla. Okay, so if I'm going to watch Tesla, go up, I'm going to be patient and watch it go up, and then I'm going to sit back and I'm going to let it drop down. Okay, same thing with the SPY. I think it's going to go up to about 375 or around 370 to 373. It's 375. I don't know where I get that from. 370 to 373. I think it's going to give you that pop in the morning, and then it's going to come back down. Guys, remember, no one wants to hold a stock over 3 days. They just don't. I'm not trying to be funny. No one wants to hold a stock over 3 days. If you're thinking that someone wants to hold a stock over 3 days, you're sadly mistaken. Okay, we have a holiday coming up, and no one wants to sit up here and say, "Oh, okay, let me be responsible for all the change and volatility that's going on," especially the way the market is. So, guys, we're not holding over the weekend. All right, we're not holding any stocks over the weekend. We're just not going to do it, okay? So, guys, whatever you're doing, you need to make sure you do it today, and you need to make sure that you make it count, okay? Same thing with CrowdStrike. Guys, I love CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is up right now in pre-market $1.40. It's at 158.61. I love CrowdStrike. Y'all know that, guys. But right now, if Tesla tanks, CrowdStrike is going to tank. If the SPY tanks, CrowdStrike is going to tank. So just like anything else, CrowdStrike is probably going to give you this big boom in the morning, but then guess what? It's going to taper off in the next 15 to 20 minutes. That's why we always tell you guys, wait 15 to 20 minutes before you move in the market, because guess what? Even though we love doing these plays, and we know these are bombs, we know these are plays that can set us up and help us get more stocks and invest in more. Guess what? They're also death traps as well, because guess what? They're so volatile. All right. So, guys, please do your due diligence. Please make sure you pay attention to this, guys. If you're gonna sit, make sure you sit. Make sure you're watching it, guys, because if you don't, you're gonna get hit with the okie doke. Okay, you're gonna get hit with the okie doke. Apple, guys. Apple is up 16 cents this morning. Apple did a huge fallback yesterday. It did a huge fallback yesterday. It was down $5.37, almost 4%. Hey man, we ate good off of that. But you got to make sure, guys, that you're paying attention to what some of these stocks are doing. Okay, you got to pay attention to what some of these stocks are doing. Apple is up right now in the pre-market 25 cents, but that does not mean Apple is going to go crazy. Look at Tesla again. Tesla is still going down almost $4 in the pre-market after being up $8 in the pre-market. Guys, this is what the market does. This is what it does. It gets you all pumped up and all excited, and it makes you think that, wait, oh man, there was a huge sell-off yesterday. But that does not mean it's not a continued sell-off. So guys, I'm probably going to put in a put on Tesla. I'm probably going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to really see what's going on in the market. And I'm going to probably get a put. And guess what, guys? I'm going to hit my goal, which is probably anything over $100, and I'm out. I'm not going to stay in any stocks long today. I'm not going to play this up and down road. I'm probably going to get in 1 to 3 stocks today, and that's going to be it. That's going to be my weekend trading, and then we'll get ready for Tuesday of next week, guys. Apple, man, just watch Apple, guys. I'm not satisfied that Apple is not going to go down to the 120s. I believe, and I have been saying, and I think Chris Sains has been saying as well, that Apple will get down to the 120s. We just don't know when it's going to get down to the 120s. So, guys, please do your due diligence. Please pay attention. And, guys, y'all give me 2 seconds while I sit up here and write down these plays for you guys so you guys can actually benefit from that. Guys, one of the plays I'm looking at this morning, guys, is Roku. Okay, Roku. Okay, let me pull this up. I'm looking at Roku, guys. I still think. Hold on. Okay, cool. All right, guys, that was just somebody wanted me to do money management with someone. All right. I get people calling me, guys, and telling me, guys, they want me to do stuff for them as far as doing advising and everything, guys. You know, I don't really do advising. I'm one of those guys, man. Just hit me up and I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of those guys. So you don't have to worry about, guys. Let me just tell y'all this. You don't have to worry about texting me saying, hey, will you help me build this portfolio? Listen, all you got to do, guys, and I'll say this to anybody that join our podcast, please make sure you just holler at me. You know what I'm saying? We in this together, guys. And that's the thing, man. That's the thing, guys. We got to realize that, man, we all trying to get financial wealth. We're all trying to make it happen, okay? And that's just what that is. You know what I'm saying? And there's ups and downs. Somebody be like, man, why you didn't do these plays beforehand? Because my team does not send me certain things till a certain time. And we get them from so many different sources that I have to verify them. Just because somebody showed me something don't mean that I think that's what's going to happen, guys. I'm just going to keep it 100 with you. Just because somebody showed me something don't mean that's what I think is going to happen. So, guys, I know you guys are sending me plays and you guys are saying, hey, listen, this is a good play, that's a good play. I get that. But, guys, understand something. When you send me something, I look at it and I send it out to my team. So if you see me on my phone, I'm sending it out to my team saying, hey, check this out. Take a look at this. And if you guys could take a look at this, then guess what? That'll help me do what I need to do. And then those guys come together around 8:15, and guess what? Boom, they shoot me out some stuff, guys. So real quickly, man, we're going to go ahead and go over some plays, man. Again, these are companies I'm watching, whether it's puts or calls. Let me say this again. Whether it's puts or calls, it does not make a difference. These are companies that I'm looking at, okay? So please, why? Because they're bangers, and when it's on Friday, I like to make that weekend money. I'm just being real with you. Don't judge me. I'm just saying, hey, I've made my money Monday through Thursday, and on Friday, hey, this is my extra play money, all right? Whatever money I make on Friday is what I use to deal with my family or whatever issues I got going on. I'm just telling you right now, that's how I roll, all right? Listen, guys, the first thing we're looking at, guys, is Roku. The first thing we're looking at, guys, is Roku. Shout out to Chart Zaddy on Chris A. Discord, man, for this one, man. Roku. Let's look at it. All right. So, guys, right now we're looking at Roku, man, and Roku look like it's up to $2, up $2.07 in the pre-market, which is about 2.6%. In the pre-market, it's up to $80.65. And Roku just had some really, really good news. So please make sure you take a look at that. Roku jumps on deal with Walmart to bring commerce to TV ads, guys. That is huge, guys. Roku and Walmart are teaming up. Now, that's not a no-brainer, okay? That's not a no-brainer. Let me tell you what's really the biggest thing. Kathy Woods has jumped on the Roku train. So listen, I'm definitely looking at Roku. I'm definitely looking at it going up to $83. Right now it's at $80.65. I don't see it dipping. I do see it going up later on today. I'm definitely going to get in Roku, guys, at the start of the bell. I'm going to wait 10 to 15 minutes, but I am going to get in Roku. I think it looks good for today. I haven't looked at it. Let me go look at it on my chart. Let me go look at this on my Thinkorswim chart, guys. So, guys, I'm looking at this on my Thinkorswim chart, man. Right now, we got Roku, which actually was up to like $82, $83 yesterday. However, it's probably going to come in at around $80, $65, something like that. But that's cool. My biggest thing is, man, you got a little bit of a resistance at well, not necessarily resistance, already below resistance, but around 81.49, 81.50 till about an 81.75. And if it breaks past those points, guys, Roku is going to go out. It's just going to go up. Yeah, it's going to go up. So, guys, make sure that you take a look at that. Be patient with Roku, guys. Take a look at it. I'm telling you, Roku is going to do some good things today. I'm excited about it. I'm just going to keep it 100. I'm excited about it. All right, guys? So please take a look at Roku, guys. The next thing I'm looking at, guys, is Chewy. I actually backed off Chewy a little bit. One of my guys sent this to me, man, and I thought this was really cool. Chewy, I think, guys, and I'm just looking at it. Chewy has a resistance, man, of about 3 different places, and that's on my 50, 100, and 200-day moving average charts. Let me move this out of the way so I can kind of see this. All right. So right now, Chewy is going down. It's about 28.55 in the market, in pre-market right now. Let's go look at it at investing.com. Yeah. All right. So right now, Chewy is going bonkers this morning. It went from about 27.88, something like that, and now it's at 27.88 to about, now it's at 28.43. So it's roughly up 12 cents, 0.42% at 28.55. So guys, listen, it's at 28.55, guys. We're putting in a call at about 28.85. I'm not going to stay in there long, but guys, look at this. Look at this. This makes a difference, guys, because guess what? Chewy is on the way up. Let's look at some news. Chewy director start buys $10 million in stock over recent weeks. So that means Chewy stock. Let me tell you something. When you see CEOs and all of them buy this type of stock and about millions and millions of dollars of this, that means something is going on. So I'm definitely going to be getting a Chewy a call probably today. Of course, I'm waiting for the usual dips, but I'm definitely going to be looking at a Chewy call sometime today. Once that thing hits about 28.85, I'm definitely going to be in it. I'm going to get in it. I'm going to put my stop loss in, and then guess what, guys? I am out, okay? So I'm definitely looking at Chewy today, guys. Also, guys, Square. Listen, we were just talking about Square last night in my team. Square, man, oh my God, but otherwise known as Block, okay? Otherwise known as Block. It was down yesterday in the pre-market at 57.51. It was down 8.5%, almost $5.50 for the day. And listen, right now that thing is holding steady. It's down 0.92 cent day, 1.6%. It's at 56.59. So guys, look at this, okay? 56.59. I still think it's going to take a little bit of a dip, but it's going to go to the upside today. So guys, I'm looking at calls today. I'm just looking at short bursts. I'm looking at short pops, and then I'm gone. I am not going to spend a lot of time in the market today. I'm just being honest with you guys. But I'm definitely looking at Square today. My next one, final one, guys, is Bank of America, guys. I am not a Bank of America fan, but I like the money that it possibly is going to bring. Right now, Bank of America is at 31.93 pre-market. It ended the day yesterday at 31.85, down about 0.62%. So not a huge swing, but it is going to the upside on today, guys. Bank of America right now, guys, they're just getting along with all the banking stuff that's going on, guys. They're responding to the Fed Chairman Powell's speech. So, guys, I'm really looking at Bank of America. I'm actually going to go look at this on Thinkorswim so I can get where my charts are at. So right now, the low, it got to the low today, guys, at about 31.75. Guys, I want you to get this, 31.75, and that thing is up to 31.99, and it's going to $32, guys. And right there, it's still, and there's a huge jump. Now, the biggest thing, let me tell you what happened. Claflin University just received $500,000 from Bank of America to support the Center for Social Justice. So right now, let me tell you what Bank of America just did. They just positioned themselves to be a long way, and they did it right on time because of Juneteenth and Father's Day. So guys, right now, I'm telling you, Bank of America is going to get a huge pop from that. Goldman Sachs lowered the price targets for Bank of America to 41 from 45, but that's okay because it still maintains a buy average. All right. So these are the things that's going on with Bank of America, guys. Okay. So, guys, even though right now it's looking at about 31.92, guys, I'm telling you, Bank of America is going to go up to probably $32 to $33 today. And guys, do not miss this. So, guys, when it gets to about 32.05, when it looks like it has a good uptrend, guys, jump in that. It's a very cheap stock. It's not, option is not a big deal. Matter of fact, let me go to, I'm trying to hurry up, guys, so I can. All right, so let's take a look at that real quick. So if you did a June 24th stock option for Bank of America just for $32, it's only $73, guys. It's only $73, guys, and I'm going to drop that in the Discord today, guys. So listen, guys, these are my plays for the day, man. Hey, govern yourself accordingly. If you have any questions, man, hit me up. Voice of reason tips for the day, thoughts for the day, guys. Here we go. The first one is, guys, hey, watch for the sell-off, guys. It's going to go up, guys. It's going to go up, but I need you to watch for the sell-off, okay? Watch for the sell-off. Number two, stick to your game plan, all right? If you're going to get in and get out, get in and get out, guys. It's okay not to stay in something all day. Number three, it's a 3-day weekend. Don't forget that. Don't forget that it's a 3-day weekend, all right? So listen, be smart, okay? Be smart with what you're doing. And number four, guys, hey, listen, trust what the market shows you. I said this yesterday. Watch the VIX. Okay, it's a volatility tracker. Guys, listen, that's my time. Love you guys to love the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go, and do me a favor. Make the rest of your day the best of your day, guys. Do me a favor. We are option everything. We're option anywhere, guys. But more than anything, we want to give you options in life so you can create wealth for you and your family, guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. But more than anything, man, make sure you comment and share this to someone who wants to build generational wealth like you, guys. I'm Holly Mays, man, with Option Nerds Podcast. On behalf of William Mathis, man, we are out of here.